I kind of want to give you a quick overview. Here we have a standard changemakers dollar bill changer, and kind of want to share an update where we go to a Mars validator and also update it to what I would call American changer style hoppers. Kit includes this nice little dressing faceplate. And so as you can see here, this is the latest and greatest Mars Talos validator, MDB. You can use any Mars MDB validator, but this is a current style. So what we've done here is we've taken out the traditional hoppers. We've installed the new American Changer green stripe hoppers. And as well, if you need extra coin capacity, we have this is a traditional hopper extension. We have the new see-through extension that would kind of come with this kit. So if you need if you need a lot of capacity, you can add these hopper extensions. Basically, we mount the American Changer control board. Here it's mounted to the left-hand side of the changer, just so when you open it up, you could see your total money count. Installation is super easy. You're basically just removing the old parts. Nice thing is the old power supplies in these are showing their age. So what we do with the capital vending kits, like we have a lot that a lot that we update. All of these kind of include just a traditional power supply. So this should last a good long time, but in the event your power supply goes bad and it's a busy Saturday at your location, it's a somewhat of a Staples, Office Depot, Target, store-bought power supply, just a 24-volt DC power supply. So that way you could buy at retail at a good price. Your machine's not out of service in the event your power supply fails. So once again, very easy to install on location. The way this door is designed, we have a traditional, it has a down stacker validator, no cutting is required. We have had customers that request recycling. So in the event that you did want to, basically have it where you could put in a $20 bill, they get $10 worth of change and 2 5s return. Absolutely possible with this kit. So however, just when you order it, just know that you're going to have to cut through this door, which is, probably 1/4 inch 3/16 steel, and mount this as an upstacker validator. So definitely for somebody very competent with power tools, or if you just hire a service professional, they can do that. But this is traditional kit, just making change. But the recyclers are very popular, and that kind of saves the attendant from having to make change. So that is a possibility when you update to these hoppers.